Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Those of you are new to my channel, hi guys, I'm Shreya and I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. So today's video is all about how I shave my face at home, and currently I am using this particular product from Tinkle, and they are the eyebrow razor. Well, they are multi-purpose razor, so I do my eyebrows as well as I do my whole face shaving with this particular product. And last 3 months I have been using this, and they are really life-savior guys. They come in a pack of 3 and I have already used 2 of them, but one is left yet to be used, so I am going to use it today. The razor looks like this and they comes with a plastic cap like this, so it is absolutely a secure thing. You can keep this anywhere, but there are no chances of getting cut or getting hurt, so for that they have given this cap. That is a great part. Plus I really love this tilt position of this particular razor, which is really helpful to hold properly and shave my face all over. This is a one-time use razor, but trust me guys, I have used it 25 times and they have given me the exact result. But after 25 times the blade of this razor really becomes blunt, and please guys, do not use a blunt razor on your skin, because you might be thinking that a blunt razor will not hurt you or give you a cut, but it is absolutely wrong. Because when you just start shaving with your blunt razor, you just need to give that extra pressure that might hurt you. So please guys, do not use a blunt razor, rather use a very sharp razor. So basically I'm going to show you how I quickly shave my face, though it's a quick process, but do not go very fast with it because you may cut or hurt yourself. So take your time, just relax and then start shaving your face. So after taking my shower, I haven't applied any kind of moisturizer, so I've just cleansed my face with a good face wash. So I'm going to apply the Plum Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Face Oil blends. It really works amazing on my skin. I have already reviewed this product. Those of you haven't yet checked the review, you can kindly go to my description box. I'll provide a link there. You can check out the review. As well as there will be an I button here. You can click there and see the review of this particular product. So let's get started with this procedure. So I'm just applying this oil because it helps to shave my face properly in a clean manner. It makes shaving really easy and it also avoids cuts. So for that I have applied this oil. Now I'll quickly start this procedure of shaving. And for shaving your face, you need to keep in your mind that what is the exact position of your razor, like where you will place your razor. Like if you are going to place it like this or you are going to place it like this, you are going to see the direction of your hair growth. Like if your direction of your hair growth is on this way, so you are going to place your razor just above it and slowly just try to shave it with a very gentle hand guys. Try to grip your facial muscle on the downward position and then try to shave your face. So this basically avoids the cuts. I don't know you can see or not, there are a lot of hair that is already on the cotton pad. If you want to shave your chin area, you just need to tuck in your lips like this, and then it becomes really easy to shave your chin. With the same procedure, you can also shave your upper lip by tucking your upper lip like this. If you want to shave the corners of your lips, you can just roll the tongue and put inside so that it becomes a nice support like this. My upper lip, my chin and the side of my face is already done, guys. I usually don't shave here because I don't have that much of hair growth on this portion. So I leave this area because why to unnecessarily irritate your skin. So I'm going to leave this area, and now it's very easy to shave your forehead because it's just an open canvas and you can just shave like this. Just put your hand here above your forehead and pull the skin of your forehead, so it really becomes very easy to shave your forehead too. I have already shaved my face. Now I'm going to do the eyebrows, and I'm just going to shave those extra hairs, so not going to damage the shape of my eyebrows because it is really difficult to regrow your hair so fast. So for that, I'm just going to shave the extra that I have got here and there. Just take your razor like this, place it above your eyebrows like this, and just mimic the shape of your eyebrows. As the starting of my eyebrow shape is like this, so I am going to place my razor on this position in this way and then start raising it very slowly. I've already done the upper section of my eyebrow. Now I'm going to do the downward section of my eyebrow, and for that I'm going to invert the position of my razor like this. Like it was like this, and I'm just going to invert it like this, and with a very gentle hand, guys, just do it slowly, just shave it slowly. Now it's the most difficult part, that is in between my two eyebrows. I need to shave it. So for that, you are going to hold your eyebrow razor like this, tilt it like this, and with the tip section of your eyebrow razor, just slowly try to shave in between your eyebrows. I don't know you can see or not, lot of accumulated hair is on the cotton pad. So as it's the eyebrow and the facial hair, so it's very light. I hope you can see. So guys, my full face shaving is done with the help of this Tinkle Eyebrow Razor. I think this is really a magical product for me because I don't get that much time to visit parlor for face waxing or for doing my eyebrows. So weekly once I just use this Tinkle Eyebrow Razor to get rid of that extra facial hair and extra hair growth. So I'm really happy to use this product. I'll definitely recommend you guys to use at least once and just see the magic. So they comes in a packaging of 3 pieces and they are absolutely budget friendly, absolutely affordable in your pocket, and you can find this product in Amazon, in Flipkart, and I hope in Nykaa also you can find out. So yes, they are absolutely available in all the online stores. You can just check it in my description box below. I have already linked down the product. So by this I end my video right here. I hope this video turns out to be really helpful and really informative for you guys, and thank you guys so much for loving me so much, for supporting my channel so much. Your love and support really made me cross a little milestone of monetization, and I am really happy and really glad to you guys, because without your support and without your love I really cannot achieve my goal. So thank you guys for loving me, supporting me, and do subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.